Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the SSD and machine. First, confirm whether the drive is SATA or NVMe so you use the correct slot. Once done, back up important files and create recovery media so you can undo mistakes. Now power down, open the case, and install the SSD, plug SATA and power cables or insert the M.2 and screw it down. Make sure connections are firm, and the drive is secured before reassembling to proceed with imaging or clean install. You now decide whether to clone your current system or perform a clean install. Cloning preserves settings while a clean install gives a fresh start. If cloning, boot a cloning utility from USB, select the existing drive as source and the SSD as destination, and confirm partition sizes and alignment. If installing clean, boot installer USB, choose custom install, and format the SSD. Either way, make sure to align partitions for SSD performance and confirm the operation before starting to avoid data loss. You finish by configuring firmware to boot from the SSD. Reboot into UEFI or BIOS, set the SSD to the top of the boot order, and switch to OSI or NVMe mode while disabling legacy or CSM if using UEFI. Once the system boots, install chipset and NVMe/SATA drivers, enable trim and check performance. If the system won't boot, check cable seating, reset boot order, or rerun the installer. If cloning failed, rebuild the bootloader or retry, cloning with partition flags corrected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.